Hey everybody, welcome back to the course. In this lesson we're going to talk a little bit about adding text to a web page and what's the correct way to do it. So first of all, what we're going to do here is we're going to change some settings here we have. I'm going to go ahead and change my H2 element, and I'm going to change the text that displays in the middle here to something completely different. And I'm also going to change the H1 to my name. So our two headlines here I managed to change, which are pretty simple enough, and now we have a paragraph text here. So first of all I'm going to delete that, and I'm just going to write out some text just to show you guys how the web browser will interpret text if we just write it without the paragraph tag. So I'm just going to write a bunch of little text here, some information about myself. Alright, so I'm now going to add another paragraph right below it. Okay, so we have these two paragraphs here, and we can see here that as we write them there's a space in the middle here. So I'm going to save this document, and when we refresh our document we can see here that there is no space. All the text is kind of just squished together, and the web browser did not interpret that space there. It kind of just put all the text together, and this is what happens if you don't use the paragraph element tags. So if I add a paragraph tag here to this line of text, and then another paragraph element tag to this chunk of text, you'll see that it'll actually space the text out the way we want it to look in the web browser. There we go. That looks much better and is a lot more cleaner to read. So that's pretty much the basics of adding text into an HTML document. Text looks pretty boring as it is right now, but once you start learning CSS, you can do all kinds of different styling options to make your text look a little bit more exciting.